Welcome to Majdia Drawing Academy. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic drawing of a cup and saucer using a combination of graphite and charcoal pencils. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you elevate your skills and bring your artwork to life. So grab your pencils and let's get started on this creative journey. In this video, I'm sharing the process of creating a realistic drawing of a cup and saucer using a combination of graphite and charcoal pencils. The blend of these two mediums creates a striking contrast that brings life and depth to the artwork. I started by lightly sketching the basic outline of the composition using a soft graphite pencil. It's essential to keep the initial lines light and clean, as this ensures flexibility for adjustments later. When working on objects like this cup and saucer, focus on symmetry and perspective to achieve a balanced composition. Once the outline was complete, I began shading using hatching and cross-hatching techniques with a lighter graphite pencil. These techniques are perfect for building gradual tonal transitions, especially on curved surfaces like the cup. A key tip here is to pay attention to the direction of your strokes. They should follow the form of the object to enhance its three-dimensional appearance. After establishing the lighter tones, I moved to the darker areas using a charcoal pencil. The rich, velvety texture of charcoal is ideal for deep shadows, such as the inner part of the cup and the areas where the saucer overlaps with the table. To create a smooth blend between graphite and charcoal, I used a blending stump sparingly. Remember, blending should enhance the natural transitions, not smudge the details. One trick I used in this drawing was layering. Instead of jumping straight to dark tones, I gradually built them up, layer by layer. This approach not only adds depth but also allows you to control the intensity of the shading. Additionally, I made sure to keep the edges of the cup and saucer sharp, as crisp edges are crucial for realism in still life drawings. For the highlights, I used a white charcoal pencil and a fine-tipped micron pen. Highlights are what bring light and life to the drawing. Pay close attention to where the light source hits the object on the rim of the cup, the edges of the handle, and the reflective spots on the saucer. Using the white charcoal pencil in subtle strokes creates a natural, soft glow, while the micron pen adds precise, bright highlights for maximum contrast. One of the most important aspects of working with both graphite and charcoal is maintaining their distinct qualities. Graphite creates smoother and shinier textures, while charcoal is matte and rich. Combining these allows for a dynamic range of textures, so don't be afraid to experiment with how they interact. Finally, I focused on refining the details. This involves reworking shadows for more depth, enhancing highlights for brightness, and ensuring the overall balance of the composition. A kneaded eraser is an invaluable tool for lifting graphite or charcoal to create soft highlights or fix small mistakes. By taking your time and paying attention to the small details, you can turn a simple still life composition into a captivating work of art. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I encourage you to try this method in your own drawings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art tutorials. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Majdia Drawing Academy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and share it with others who might find it helpful. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. If you have any questions about the techniques I used or need guidance on your own drawings, feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future tutorials. See you in the next video.